exactly the sale time started, if you're trying to buy anything, it's not going to happen. Why? Because some lakhs and lakhs of users will be trying to access the server at the same time. In that particular scenario, everyone needs an object, a connection object. So that would be very hard. Load balancing. Anyways, you will experience that in your Spring Boot concepts also. Kindly please wait for it. So yesterday we discussed about this connection pooling. So basically, in order to perform this connection pooling, we need to work with 5 steps. First one is initialization. Next one is acquisition, usage, returning the connection object, and then finally closing the connection. That is invalidation. All these we had covered in our yesterday's session. Did you do that? Did you practice the program? Okay. So today we will be trying to discuss about metadata. A very simple and easy concept. We already know what is actually metadata. What do I mean by metadata? Data about the data. That's it, not more than that. When you're speaking about metadata, this provides additional information. Just a simple additional information. Basically, there are 4 types of metadatas are there. First one is database metadata, parameter metadata, result set metadata, row set metadata, like that. Totally, we are having 4 types of metadatas are there. By using database metadata, we will be able to get the information related to the database, like which version of Oracle you are using, and which driver for Oracle, which driver you are using, like that. When you're speaking about parameter metadata, how many parameters are there? What are their types also? Like that, just some information. You need to respond, guys. So all these we'll be trying to discuss regarding metadata in JDBC. That's it. A very simple and easy concept. Guys, main concepts related to JDBC we already covered. Do you know how to connect our Java program to the database? Do you know how to retrieve the data? Do you know how to perform changes to the data? Done. That's it. Basically, that is what JDBC concept is. So remaining things, what are the things which we are discussing today? Tomorrow, we'll be discussing about how to pass an image to the database. Image. We will be using streams in JDBC. Streams. IO streams concept is there. Na? When you're speaking about IO streams, byte streams are there, character streams are there, buffered byte streams, buffered character streams, object streams, data streams. All these we already covered in our core Java. Same concept, exactly the same concept, but how we are going to use that concept in JDBC. Simple. I just want to pass an image into a database, or I just want to pass a big file, a text file into the database. How to do that? Tomorrow we'll be discussing, like how to send blob data, binary large object, blob data, and clob data. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about that. And after that, day after tomorrow, just a small concept, very simple concept, batch processing. We'll be discussing about batch processing in JDBC by day after tomorrow. So by day after tomorrow, we'll complete with our JDBC, and by day after tomorrow means Friday. From Saturday onwards, we will start with our servlet programming. That is next level programming. You will love it. You'll love it. Believe me. Okay. So yeah, please write some data related to metadata in JDBC. Open your notes. Open your notes. Please keep your side heading as metadata. Just a simple side heading. Metadata. Note on a small point for me, please. Please be prepared to write little bit lengthy notes right now. Metadata. Data about the data is called data about the data is called metadata. Data about the data is called metadata, which gives additional information which gives additional information about the existing data, which gives additional information about the existing data. Next point. JDBC supports JDBC supports four modes of JDBC supports four modes of metadata programming. JDBC supports four modes of metadata programming. Please make sure to write all these along with their descriptions also. Take time, write slowly. There are two more slides are there which you need to do. Take time, write slowly. First one, database metadata provides metadata about the entire database, its tables and other objects of database. Second one, parameter metadata provides information about the parameters used in prepared statement. Oh, okay. Prepared statement. I already told you statement, prepared statement, and callable statement. Most of the time we'll be using prepared statement. Companies will be using callable statements also, but callable statement internally uses prepared statement only. Result set metadata provides details about the columns of a result set. Row set metadata provides details about the columns of row set. As simple as this. Is it done? Please keep your side heading as database metadata. So in database metadata, a lot of methods are there, but these are the most frequently used methods. Kindly please make sure to write the method names yes along with their descriptions. After that, parameter metadata. After that, result set, and after that, row set metadata. Kindly please try to have them in your notes. I'm sorry. Say loudly. Oh, not done. Please, please write. Please write. No problem. 1 minute. Great. Come on, please. Online students, if completed, kindly please try to message me in the chat. Write clearly and slowly. I hope it's completed for everyone. Is it completed for everyone? Next, continuation, please. Actually, the methods which were present in result set metadata almost present in row set metadata also. You know that row set is a child interface for result set. You can consider that it's an enhanced version for a result set. Rohit, you're asking, sir, whenever we call row, rs.update row, then how we know data is updated in database or not? We just need to view the data. We just need to view the data, buddy. Why? Because, update row method is a void method. Does not return anything. So if you want to confirm it, we just need to view. Print the results at one more time. Which row you are updating, print that row. Use scrollable results and print that row. That's it. Right, Rohit? All right. Is it done? Done? Okay. Yes, Rohit. Yes. Again, one more query to be getting executed. Otherwise, write that query in a method and call that method. That is for sure, buddy. Please respond in chat, Rohit. Is that clear? All right. Let me just try to take one more separate class. Up to 13 we have taken. Row 14. Finish. This is JDBC Pro 14. Okay. Now, let me just try to take all my variables. After that, void method one, system.out.println, implementing metadata in JDBC. Okay. Before going to that, Rohit, is your query cleared? I want you to kindly please respond to the chat for me, buddy. Is it clear? Okay, great. Now, implementing metadata. Guys, please tell me how many types of metadata we are having. Four. First one, database metadata. Let's try to deal with first database metadata. Simple. First, okay, let me just try to go with try catch catch and here exception exception e and driver manager dot get sorry, driver manager dot get connection URL username and password. Let me just try to use connection object con belongs to connection. Okay. And actually I need to load my driver also. It's a good programming practice. Class dot for name and I'm using the driver. Okay, fine. All right. So I got my connection object. Now let me try to get con from connection object con dot get metadata. Just let me try to get it like this equal to dmtdt. This return type is database metadata. Return type is database metadata. By the way, database metadata, just a second. Database metadata, parameter metadata, result set metadata, row set metadata, all these are interfaces. Okay. So yeah, I'm getting that system.out.println. Just let me try to database metadata. Let's try to check how these methods will work. I'm dealing with database metadata. All right. System.out.println. First, we have used get database product name. Okay. Let's see how this, what it is going to return. Plus dmt dot get database product name. Okay. How many methods you have written? Okay. Next one is get database version, get database driver name, and is it supporting stored procedures or not? Let's find out. E dot. Let me just try to go to my main method. Inside my main method, I'm going to create an object new JDBC Pro 14. Please listen. I'll give you time to code. You know that. First concentrate, please. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, let's see. What is the database product name which we are using? And my database version is, and which driver we are using? Type 4, that is Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle driver. Do you remember that? And is it supporting stored procedures or not? Of course, absolutely. See, let me make this simple, guys. Once you got placed in one company, what you are expecting, like what you will do, tell me. According to your opinion, what you are going to do. Feel free, share your thoughts. You are, for example, you are hiding, let's go with TCS. Okay, what you are going to do? Do you think that directly you will be sitting in a project? Absolutely not. Training, okay. After training period completed, then tell me what happens. After training period completed also, directly you will not be going to the project. Mostly you will deal with, already code will be there. Code is already there. You need to deal with that code. For example, they have, okay, one project, fine. They're having one class. In the class, they are having 10 methods. Each method is having some 10,000 lines of code. Method, some 10,000 lines of code. What your manager or team leader will do, that 10,000 lines of code, you need to reduce that lines of code into 4,000. But the output should be same. Are you getting the point exactly what I'm saying? You need to reduce that lines of code. You need to maintain the project. Mostly, directly, you will not be creating a new project. That is for sure. If you are a fresher, new project, directly a new 5+ years of experience of people, they will directly sit into the project. Means they will try to write the code right from the scratch. It's not like you are going to code right from the scratch. Already code will be there. You need to manage that code. You need to maintain that code according to the requirements of the client. As simple as this. As simple as this. For example, just for example, how to say this? Let me make this simple. I'm having an e-commerce website. I'm a client. Okay. In just a basic e-commerce website I am having. Tell me one basic e-commerce. Don't say Flipkart and Amazon. That is not a basic. That's next level. Meesho, it's already done. Everything is done in Meesho also. Anything else? IRCTC. Yeah. Who told IRCTC? That is not at all a basic thing. Believe me, I'm there. In the team, I'm there. The team which developed IRCTC, I'm there. I know that is not at all a basic project. Next level, where level IRCTC project. Okay, I'll do one thing. In some if anyone started a small business, they will give online orders. They will accept online orders. Yes or no? Any food items or else like pickles. Which pickles? I like a pickles. Huh? Not I like a pickles. That's not there. Any other things there? I believe you're getting the point here. Small business, they will accept online payments. Okay, okay. For example, let's take that I'm having a small business and okay, let's think that I'm selling pickles. Let's think like that. Okay. I opened a website and in that website, I uploaded all the pickles and their cost also. Now, users will be trying to come and they will pay the amount. Oh, what would be the numbers of the credit cards? Number. Nearly 16. Generally, it will be 16. I'll try to get my code by 16 digits. Fine. Another credit card came. Let's say American Express. Some cards in American Express, they will be having only 14 digits. But in my project, how many digits I need to enter? 16 digits. It will not accept. I hope you understand the point here. So that client will be coming to my company and he will ask, please maintain this, please modify this project such that it should accept all 14 digits and 16 digit credit cards also. That particular concept is known as microservices. Microservices means ICICI 16, ICICI one bank, HDFC one bank, Axis one bank, three different services, American Express one bank. So four banking services I need to keep in my project. Are you getting the point here? Basically, that concept is known as microservices, and we'll be able to achieve that in Spring Boot. We'll be able to do that. But previously, my project is accepting only 16 digits. It's not accepting 14. So that client will come to our company and he will say, this is my problem. Now, what we need to do, we should modify the code. Old code should work properly. Old code should work exactly like that. And new code should be added. Please respond. Did you understand exactly what I'm saying? I don't know who wrote the old code. I don't know which database they have used. I don't know whether the database is supporting stored procedures or not. Basically, I need to get the metadata information related to that project. In that particular scenario, we will be using this metadata. Are you understanding the point? Please respond. Which database they have used, which version they have used, is it supporting or not, which driver they have used, how many columns are present, and how many parameters they are used. Everything will be able to get that information by using this metadata. As simple as this. It's not like you are going to create a project right from the start. Almost every projects are done. Code is there. Code is there. Right now, if you are having any problem with your code, what is your destination where you will go and search? Come on, tell me, no problem, tell me. If you are having a problem occurring in your code, where you will search, tell me? Right now it's there. ChatGPT, you will be going, ChatGPT or Perplexity. A lot of things are here. A is there. You'll be going and checking. But before 10 years, do you know where we have checked? Stack Overflow. There is this concept known as Stack Overflow. In that Stack Overflow, developers will be there and will say our problem. Those developers will not respond immediately. What they will say, first you do. What is the problem? Tell me. Right now in ChatGPT or else AI, what you will do, I want to get this. I want to create. It will be giving you the code and you will try to keep that code inside that project. Let me make this simple. Guys, a lot of times people are thinking that AI came, developers' jobs will be lost. No, believe me when I'm saying that. For example, whatever the problem which I told you, the same problem you told to ChatGPT. Like, I want to add 14 digits credit card numbers. It will give the code. You will keep that code in your database, in your project. That code will work properly. Only that code will work properly. Remaining 16 digits, that code is there, na? It will be gone. Are you getting the point here? See, remaining 1 lakh lines of code, it does not know. It will be giving you only your requirement. Human interaction is absolutely required. It will help you to increase the productivity, but you cannot completely rely on AI. I'm using that. I know. I know. AI will help you to increase your productivity, but it cannot replace. Humans using AI can replace. AI will not replace humans. I think you're understanding exactly what I'm saying, right? So don't worry about that AI and all those things, right? So mainly my question is, when we will be using this metadata? When? Because if we want to know about information related to that project, existing project, in that particular scenario, we will be using this metadata information. Am I clear with this? So please respond to the chat for me, guys. Online students, retrieve the data. Okay. Data. Okay. String SQL QUERY SQL QUERY SQL query 1 equal to, let me just try to keep it like this. Did you remember employee table, employee first name, employee last name, basing upon EMP ID, employee ID? Let me just try to connect SISTM system manager and SCLECT select, wait, DSCEMPLOY name and last name basing on employee ID. Could you please tell me the query? SCLECT select. What is that? EF name. Select EF name, comma, EL name from EMPLOY employee, where EID equal to, let coming here. I want to get my prepared statement. Please tell me the code. Con dot prepared statement, and here I'm going to get my SQL query 1 equal to PSTMT belongs to prepared prepared statement. All right. Now you know that we need to set the string values. How many string values we need to set? Only one. Tell me the code. PSTMT dot set string 1, and here I'm just trying to go with EID SCLECT select star from EMPLOY employee 101 is there. Okay, I'll go with 101. After that, tell me the code, I'll write the code. PSTMT dot execute update okay, PSTMT dot exe to execute query, and you know what it is going to return? What is that? Result set. Okay, just result set. Fine. Now, first I had gone with database metadata. Let me try to go with the What is the next one? Parameter metadata. Okay, just PRAMETR, parameter metadata. Okay, so we are already having our prepared statement here. So here, what I'm going to do simply PSTMT TMT dot get parameter metadata. Okay, equal to, let me just try to go like PSTMT MT. Okay, PSTMT DT parameter metadata. Let me just parameter metadata. Now I want to view the data. Yeah, sure. Cut. Let me just try to keep it here. Just the method names. Let's see what those will do. For example, what is our first method we have used? Parameter count. We are using this parameter count plus, just let me try to dot get parameter count. Can you tell me what will be our output here? Oh, just let me try to keep it like this. Right click, run as Java application. Why? Come on, sir. How many parameters we have given? How many parameters we have given? Only one. I mean, parameters means how many question marks are there in our query? Only one. Only one. So that is then we are getting that parameter count as one. All right. Let me just try to 2, 3, 4, I guess. Okay. Now here, get parameter type. Okay. I'm going to write this get parameter type, and I'm giving it as one. After that, get parameter mode. Get parameter mode. Okay. And then is nullable. Is nullable or not? Let me just try to keep it like this. Now, parameter type, is it string or number, like that? Parameter mode. Please tell me what is that parameter mode? Is it in parameter or out parameter or in out parameter? Wait. In or out means these should be present inside. Tell me procedures. Yes or no? So yeah, it will work here also. No worries. And is it nullable or not? Means if the specified parameter can accept null values or not. In database we can keep the restrictions. No. Okay. Up to here, I will be getting my output. That is for sure. But if I'm executing these, let's see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. What is that? The methods which I am using, those are not supported for Oracle 11. I mean, my driver is not supporting. Can you see this? I'm having the driver problem. I want you to check that. Just check with that. Could you please do that for me? Okay. Now, so let me just try to keep this in comments. Okay. All right. So totally we are having four. We are having four. First one is database metadata. Next one is parameter metadata. Third one is, please tell me, third one is result set metadata. All right. Let's try to deal with the result set metadata. I'm going with the result set. RESULT result set metadata. Sure. Already we are having our result set object here. So can I directly call rs dot get metadata? Of course. Okay. Now here rsmtdt result set metadata. Result set metadata. Okay. Now here also, I just want to view the details. Let me cut, paste here. Okay. System.out.println. How many methods are there, guys, here? Get column count. We'll see. We'll see. First one is get column count plus rs dot get, oh, not rs. What is this? Rs mtt dot get column count like this. Okay. Get column name. I'm using 1. Get column display size. Here also I'm using my first parameter. Is auto increment or not? All right. Now please tell me what would be our output here. Guys, listen. Boys, listen. We are dealing with result set metadata. We are dealing with result set metadata. Basically, after executing this query, we will be getting some data, and that data, like an object, it is present like a result set object. Yes or no? What is the query? Please tell me, what is the query? Select EF name, comma, EL name from employee where EID equal to 101. Basically, that is the data, right? So if that query is executing properly, how many columns I will be having? 2. In those 2 columns, first I'm trying to get my column count. Okay. After that, first column name. You need to respond, EF name. After that, get column display size of that column. Oh, just a second. Where is I? Size of that column. Size. Yeah, we'll see that. And is it auto increment or not? Let's find out. Right click, run as Java application. How many columns are there? And which column name we are trying? I mean, what is the name of the first column? And what is the size? Is it auto incremented? Absolutely not. We did not assign that in our database. I believe you're getting the point here. Exactly like same row set metadata also. Exactly like same row set metadata. Rosetta. Yes, row set. Row set metadata. Where we have used this row set metadata. Take a minute time and remember the concept. No, seriously, remember the concept. When we are speaking about row sets, row set, result set we have done. Okay. Result set will work only with connected mode. Result set is by default not scrollable. Result set is by default not updatable. So enhanced version for result set is row set. Okay, row set works both connected and disconnected mode, and row set is by default updatable, by default scrollable. When you speak about row set, we are having 2 row sets which are classified in 5. First one is JDBC row set. Next one is cached row set. After that, web row set, join row set, filtered row set. Gonna? Going? Come on. Did you remember that? And okay, let's see how much you remember that row set concept. In row set, think about it. Start from the beginning. Tell me what you will do. I want to get results at object. Start from the beginning. Okay, class dot for name. After the driver manager dot get connection. You will be getting connection object. From that connection object, you will call either statement or a prepared statement, and then you will use selection group SQL query, and you will be getting that result set object. Now remember the process. how you are going to get the row set? Cache row set. Try to remember the concept. Just think. Just think. Cache row set. If you remembered, raise your hand. Only one. Okay, ma. First line. Tell me the first line. First line. Continue. I'm listening. Ah, right side of the equal to. Impressed. Impressed. You need to remember that concept, guys. If you're not remembering how, which program we had covered? 10 program, I guess. This is JDBC Rosette and Cache Rosette. Did you remember this? Rosette provider dot manager dot get connection methods, guys. That is completely another scenario I told you. Come on. Okay, I'm not going to write anything new. I'm just using the same code, exactly the same code, same code. Now I'm getting my cached row set. Now from this cached row set, CRS dot get metadata, and here just equal to, let me go like row set metadata. I'm going to use rsmtdt, and obviously let me just try to typecast it. Okay, typecast it. You know that row set is the child interface for result set. So if you want to use row set metadata interface, pretty much damn sure you need to typecast. All right. And then exactly the same scenario, same as it is, same will work for row set also. The only thing is here, I'm going to write, just a second, I'm going to write row set metadata. This is row set. Okay, I'll do one thing. ROW. ROW. Let me just try to keep it like this. Row set metadata, just to avoid confusion. This is previously we done with the result set metadata. Currently we are executing row set metadata. Okay, now please tell me what is the query? Select employee ID, employee first name, employee salary from employee. Okay. Now let's try to execute our code and let's see how many columns will be coming. You need to respond, guys. Three column. Okay. Three columns. We'll be trying to get three columns. After that column name, I'm trying to get the first column name. Yeah, of course, employee ID. After that column display. Yes, 20. Is it auto increment? Absolutely not. So like this, we'll be able to get our information related to our database. As simple as this. Where we will be using this metadata. If whenever we are working on a project which we did not started, we don't know anything about the project. You want to know about the project. In that particular scenario, we'll be using this row set. I mean metadata information. Am I clear with this? Start. Please try to execute this in your Eclipse. Go ahead. A very simple concept. Please check is it working properly or not in your laptop. Come on, go ahead. More than enough. Half an hour time is there. Happily you can execute. I strongly advise try to write the code by your own. You will love it. See how many import statements we are using. Instead of using all these, simply we can write, but that is not recommended. You know that, right? Come on. You know that. I already told you. I already told you. If you're looking at import statements, you will be able to understand which classes, interfaces you have used in your program. Go ahead. Please continue the code. As I said, first try to write it by your own. You're already having the data in your notes. Just try. Not done. Okay. Tell me one thing, up to line number 45 completed for everyone. Please check this. Yes? No? Okay. I'll keep it like this. Please try to continue. Can I scroll down to line number 52? Yes? Amma, is it done? Can I scroll down to line number 52? Yes? So result set metadata complete for everyone. Result set metadata. After result set, row set. That's it. Done. How many of you completed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people completed. Others are writing. Why you are taking that much of time? Sir, you are copy pasting, we are typing. Yes? Carry on. No problem. 5 more minutes. All right. So I'm done for today. I'm done for today. Tomorrow, we will be discussing about how to pass an image and a text file into the database. That is blob and clob data. We'll do one thing tomorrow. We'll try to write the code simultaneously. Like I'll write the code, you just need to follow me. As simple as this. Okay. So that tomorrow time will be saved. No worries. Feel free to take a snap if you need. Feel free to take a pic. I'm showing right from the beginning. If anyone wants, please check with this. Right from the starting. That's it. That's the entire program. Okay. All right. Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. Thank you. Thanks for listening. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you. If complete, you can leave. Online students, I guess you enjoyed our today's sessions. If possible, kindly please try to message me in the chat, guys. Please try to message me in the chat. Okay, that is very good. That is very good. All right. So see you guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.